So number 14 is not too hard. It's just a bunch of small, easy steps to get the whole thing. So the first things first, let's see what it says here. The 8-sided figure below is divided into 5 congruent squares. The total area of the 5 squares is 125 square inches. What's the perimeter in inches of the figure? So we're trying to find perimeter is how long the entire outside of this thing is. But it doesn't give us any of these lengths. Instead, it gives us the entire area. But it does say that each one of these are even. They're perfect squares. And the total is 125. Well, since there's 5 of them, we can just divide that 125 by 5 to see how much the area is for each one. Well, 125 divided by 5 is going to give us 25. So each one of these little squares has an area of 25. Well, now that we know that, because they're a perfect square, we know that area is found by length times width, so side by side. So what times itself will give me 25? Well, that's the same thing as taking the square root. Square root of 25 is 5, so 5 times 5, which means now we know every one of these little square side lengths is 5 inches long. Now we can go about finding the entire perimeter. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So our final perimeter should be 60 inches long, which is answer G.